In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export leads from Zoho CRM to Excel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to pull your leads out of Zoho and into a clean spreadsheet you can analyze, share with your team, or use in other tools. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho CRM account with the right permissions to export data. On the top right corner of your screen, look for the gear icon, which represents the Setup menu. Go ahead and click that. This opens the main settings area for your CRM. On the left-hand side, find the section called Data Administration. Under that, click on Export. This is where Zoho keeps all the tools related to exporting data from different modules. Once you're on the export page, you'll start a new export. Look for an option to begin or create an export, then choose which module you want to export from. In this case, select Leads as your export module. This tells Zoho that you only want data from the Leads section and not from Contacts, Deals, or any other module. Next, you'll be asked to select a custom view. Custom views are filters that control which records are included. For example, you might see options like All Leads, My Leads, or other saved views your team has created. If you want every lead in your system, choose something like All Leads. If you only need a subset of your data, pick the view that matches those criteria. Taking a second to choose the right view can save you time later because you won't have to clean up unwanted records in Excel. Now it's time to pick the download format. You'll see different file types available. Choose XLSX as the file format. This is the modern Excel format and works best if you plan to open or edit your leads in Microsoft Excel, Google Sheets, or most spreadsheet tools. After you've confirmed the module, the view, and the file format, go ahead and run the export. Zoho will process the request in the background. When it's finished, your file will appear in the Export History section on that same page. Look for your most recent export in the list, and then click Download. Your browser will save the XLSX file to your computer, usually in your Downloads folder. From there, you can open it in Excel and start working with your lead data right